In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a specific part of a video using CapCut. Maybe you've captured a long video and only need a snippet from it, or perhaps there's a moment worth sharing on social media. This guide will help you accomplish just that. First things first, go ahead and launch the CapCut app on your device. Once you're in, you should see a screen with all your projects. Find and select the project that includes the video you want to edit. If the video isn't loaded in a project yet, you'll need to create a new one and import your video. This is your starting point for any changes you'll make. Next, direct your attention to the playhead, which looks like a vertical white line over your video timeline. This playhead is crucial because it allows you to pinpoint exactly where your clip starts and ends. Drag it along the timeline to the start of the segment you want to keep. This helps you set a precise starting point for your desired video section. When you've placed the playhead where you want your clip to begin, tap on the split button. This action cuts the video at the exact spot you've chosen, creating a new starting point for the segment you're going to save. Think of it as making the first slice in a loaf of bread, marking where you want to divide your content. Now, let's move on to defining where your video segment should end. Drag that playhead across the timeline to the spot that marks the end of the section you wish to export. Once you're satisfied with its position at the end of your chosen clip, tap Split again. This action effectively brackets the video section you're interested in, isolating it from the rest. With your desired section now clearly marked, it's time to clean up. You'll notice that there are portions of the video both before and after your selected segment. To focus solely on your chosen part, delete these unwanted elements. Simply select each segment you don't need and remove them from the timeline. This step ensures that your final export is neat and precise. Finally, it's time to make this snippet your own file. Look for the Export button, which is typically located at the top right of your screen. Tap on that button, and the app will save just the section you've carefully selected and edited. Now, you have a perfectly trimmed video ready to be shared or saved for later use. And that's it. You've successfully exported a specific part of your video using CapCut. Whether for personal keepsakes, social media, or professional projects, this method offers a streamlined way to curate the content you want. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!